Artificial intelligence has become the crown jewel of modern innovation. Billions invested, endless promises, and executive dreams of transformation. Yet behind the buzz lies a stark truth. Over 80% of AI initiatives fail, not because the algorithms don't work, but because the organizations that deploy them aren't ready. Today we'll uncover why, and more importantly, how to avoid joining that 80%. AI investment has skyrocketed, spanning healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and retail. But adoption doesn't mean maturity. While 78% of organizations claim to use AI, only 1% have achieved full scalable implementation. Most remain trapped in what experts call pilot purgatory, endless experiments that never scale or deliver measurable value. The truth? AI isn't a magic wand. It's a mirror, reflecting your organization's readiness, discipline, and leadership. The failures of AI aren't about bad code, they're about bad culture. The report identifies 5 root causes that repeatedly cripple AI projects. 1. Strategic misalignment, when AI is launched without clear business goals or KPIs. 2. Data issues, fragmented, poor quality data leading to garbage in, garbage out. 3. Talent and leadership. Gaps. Executives love the buzzword but often lack the literacy to lead it. 4. Technological barriers. Prototypes that never scale, fragile pipelines, and integration chaos. 5. Change resistance. Employees fearing replacement, silos resisting collaboration, and no culture of experimentation. Together, they form the perfect storm behind the 80% failure statistic. The report contrasts 2 worlds: the AI projects that stumbled, and the few that soared. The failures, projects that never left the lab. Proofs of concept that proved little else. They had flashy demos but no business owner, no ROI metrics, and no scalability. The success stories. Netflix mastered personalization through continuous experimentation and measurable goals. JP Morgan's Coin system turned 360,000 lawyer hours into seconds of AI-assisted review. GitHub Copilot bridged humans and AI seamlessly, improving productivity by over 50%. What separates them? Clarity, leadership, and culture, not luck. Out of 400+ studies, the report distills 7 success factors that define the winners. 1. Define measurable ROI. Every AI project must start with a business metric. 2. Build cross-functional teams. Blend data scientists, engineers, and business experts. 3. Ensure data readiness. Clean, labeled, governed. 4. Continuously monitor. Detect bias, drift, and degradation in real time. 5. Adopt MLOps best practices. Automate testing, deployment, and updates. 6. Choose projects at the AI sweet spot. Feasible, viable, and desirable. 7. Invest in people and governance, because culture eats algorithms for breakfast. The next evolution of AI isn't about speed, it's about responsibility. Companies are now embedding fairness, explainability, and transparency into every stage of AI development. The report highlights the rise of responsible AI, governance frameworks, and AI for good, using intelligence not just to profit, but to protect. From the EU AI Act to NIST frameworks, global regulation is catching up. The leaders of tomorrow will be those who align ethics with execution. So why do 80% of AI initiatives fail? Because too many companies chase algorithms instead of alignment. Success in AI demands patience, realism, discipline, ethics, and learning. It's not about deploying faster models, it's about building smarter organizations. The truth about AI isn't depressing, it's empowering. Because once we understand why AI fails, we finally know how to make it succeed.